Hi, welcome to the third part of the Spur gear housing in Fusion 360. Maybe let's hide those bodies here. All of them. And I need a sketch on the right plane. I want to use 2 points as reference. 1, 2. Let's align them. Yeah. Distance between them should be 100. And this distance should be 85, and that distance should be 57.5. Okay, finish that sketch. Now another sketch on the same plane, and I want to use that point, so let's bring it in. Project this one here, and let's put a circle right on this point, and the diameter should be 112. Finish that sketch, and let's make an extrude. Can we do it with an offset here? No, so I have to go for distance. Yeah, because if I go to extend type to object, oh yeah, there's still an offset also in Fusion. That's great. So which plane? It should be, let's take a look, which one is which. Origin, oh yeah, there are the planes. This should go up to the 62.5 plane, and in the second direction it should go up to a plane as well, and that would be the minus 62.5. Okay, great. Another extrude, no, another sketch on that origin plane. Maybe hide that body, at least for the moment, on this one here. Bring in that point. This one. Okay. Put a circle right there. Diameter 112. Finish this sketch. Make another extrude. Again, 2 sides. Go for an object. That would be again the 62.5, and in the other direction it would be again the minus 62.5. And here we can go for a new body. Doesn't really matter. Let's hide this one. Now I need another sketch. Same plane. Let's bring in those 2 points. Nope. Come on. Project like this one and that one. Let's add a line. Okay, make it for construction only. Like that. I need a rectangle, which is 205 by 90. Yeah. Can we use symmetry? Yes. So this one and that one should be symmetric to that one. And let's go for maybe another point. Put that point right there in the middle, and then Yeah, I want to use another symmetry. Maybe like, not like this, but like that. Oh yeah, I could go there and then make it a construction line and make this one vertical aligned. So that's symmetric. Finish that sketch. Now I want to make an extrude with an offset. And as far as I recall, that's possible here as well. So let's go for an extrude with that sketch. That would be okay. So go for 2 sides. Go for to object, and that would be the 62.5 plane, this one here. But I want to have an offset of 2.5. Let's see if this works. So this seems to be, yeah, it has to be minus 2.5, so let's go to minus 2.5. That's more like it. Now on the other side, again to an object, that would be the minus 62.5 plane. And again I want to have an offset. Is it the same or is it a plus? Let's see, let's go for minus 2.5. No, in this case it's 2.5. Yes, and confirm. Great. Let's hide that body. Next sketch should be on the minus 12 plane, so on this one. And I need a rectangle, which is in this case 50 by 100. Now it should be symmetric, so it should be symmetric to that plane, and it should be symmetric to this plane as well. Finish that sketch. Yes, let's make an extrude up to an object. On one side, yes, up to an object, and that object would be the topmost plane here. And confirm. Great. Now a last sketch on that plane here. And that should have sort of an L shape. Maybe like this here. Okay, let's add some dimensions. So this should be 70. This should be 30. That distance should be 15. And this distance should be 40. Now, where is that plane? The minus 12 plane. Oh, I've just noticed I made a mistake in the last video. Yeah, because I did already, yeah, it should, yes. So I will correct it here and in the other one as well. And this should be aligned with the minus 12 plane. Where's the minus 12 plane? Let's bring it in. Project include this one here. And it should be, yeah. So let's make it visible and project it. This one. Okay, and then make it collinear. So this one to that one. And this should be symmetric here to this one. Yep. Finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude, and this should go up to that plane plus 2 millimeter. So let's go for two sides, go for an object, and that would be this object here. Let's see, offset, is it 2.5 or minus 2.5? Let's see. It should be not 2.5 but 2. No, in this case it's minus 2. Yes. Yeah. And here it should go to that plane. And I think it's plus 2 millimeter offset 2. Yes, seems okay. And confirm. Great. I will have to correct that one here. That extrude, that's wrong. I started with minus 12. It should start from the top plane. So go here and start not from the profile plane, but from an object, and the object would be this plane. Yes, okay. So that's okay. I will need a full round fillet if possible, or I go for 2 fillets. Let's see, we have a fillet, we have a full round fillet, yes. And that should be this face. No. First you have to select the center face, sorry. Yeah. Like this, and confirm. And that's it for today. So let's bring in all those bodies and take a look if it looks okay. Yes, looks great. So hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram, X, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.